behind me. This arrangement was a combined effort of the three piccolo players before you, each having written one of the variations to be performed. You're really going to like this. Join us now and clap along to the familiar strains of You're a Grand Old Flag and the Stars and Stripes Forever as we celebrate love of country and the joys of freedom, which were won for us long ago by our forefathers and have been protected and preserved by a long line of citizen soldiers.
Sorry, I'm going to roll on you.
much. And on behalf of the Military Academy at West Point, the West Point Band, and the Hellcats, we hope that you enjoyed this performance of the Cost and Joys of Freedoms. Enjoy the rest of this show. Thank you very much.
So, class of 2018, you having a good time yet? All right, that's good. So, thank you everybody for waiting a couple days as we rescheduled to a absolutely gorgeous evening. I want to introduce to you, class, the members of the United States Military Academy Band. This group here, we remain inspired, honored,